What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then girl, welcome to my channel. I'm about to go through my night makeup removal routine and part of my skincare routine. This is gonna be quick, and I have a quick little story time to go along with it. That how somebody tried to feed your girl a good old roach. If you know me personally, chances are you already know. I have two phobias. There's two things in this life, in this world, that just terrify me. They give me anxiety, and literally I will shit myself if either of them touch me. The first thing is a damn cockroach. Let me tell you something. A cockroach can have my whole house. I can kill a spider. I can kill just about any other insect and probably a couple small rodents, but I'm not fooling with no cockroach. I'm just not. And it's crazy because, you know, a spider could potentially bite you and kill you, girl, but I don't care. The second thing is, I don't want to get into the second thing because it really ain't got nothing to do with this video or this story that I'm about to tell you. I'm going to change a couple of the details, like small details, to protect the innocent and just keep, you know, little mama's feelings from being hurt if and when she sees this video. Really, I just don't want anybody who knows the two of us to be able to pinpoint it back to her. Like, if she sees it and she knows it's her, I mean, I feel like that's alright, but I don't want nobody else to know it's her. A couple of years ago, I started this job, right? It was an office setting with like 10 people total, including myself. Now, they did a lot of potlucks together. They were like a real close-knit family type of unit, and it was real cool. I really liked that about the job. And they would always get together and do potlucks. Now, at the time, I was a little green, and I just trusted people more than I probably should have. I was excited to participate in this her upcoming potluck. Not just because, you know, your girl likes to eat. She likes foods. But because everybody in that office had been raving about this one girl's greens. And you know, I live in the South. Greens is a big thing in the South. You can't mess up greens. So if everybody, I mean, you can mess up greens. I'm not saying you can't mess them up. I'm saying you're not allowed to mess up greens, okay? Like, that's blasphemous. So yeah, that's about as much of this pressed pigment. I'm gonna get off these lids. I'm gonna go wash my face right quick and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. If you are looking for a very gentle cleanser, especially if you have sensitive skin and you don't mind spending a cute little coin, because this size bottle is like 8 ounces. So it's like $36. And then it's like one above that for like 50 something. But it is the Kiehl Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser from Sephora. It comes in a cute little glass bottle. It smells amazing. Does not break me out. Does not dry my skin out. I got this from, I think I was in like a Marshall's or something like that. But it's real nice, and I love it to, you know, good old clean in there. Back to the story. Where was I? Homegirl had rave reviews on her good old pot of greens. Literally everybody was asking her, when you gonna make some more greens? Telling me, oh, she make the best greens. Oh my God, greens. We gotta have a potluck to usher Brittney in and so she can taste these greens. So I'm excited, you know. The first time the potluck was supposed to happen, I ended up getting sick and missing work that day, and I was so disappointed. I was like, oh, I'm not gonna get to taste them. I come back to work, everybody's talking about how good they are, and I'm just like, man, F y'all. She's pretty much like, don't worry, I'll make you some. I'll make a, you know, a separate pie, and I'll bring you some. Every time she was supposed to make me some, she would either, something would come up or she didn't have the time. Like, something came up that prevented me from being delivered these good old greens. I just didn't understand, like, why. Like, you know, hindsight is 20/20, and sometimes when we think we're out here doing what's best for ourselves, the universe or God, whoever you want to say, the universe, God, your ancestors, your guardian angels, somebody's out there looking out for you and blocking things that you just shouldn't be a part of. See, I didn't know this at the time. I didn't realize that that was God interfering, divine intervention. Months go by, and the girl and I are around the same age, so we become kind of close. We, you know, and we are kicking it outside of work, going out for cocktails after work. And she's like, girl, come to my house. I'm gonna make you your own good old pot of greens, because it's been months and you have not gotten a chance to taste my world famous greens. If I say greens one more time, let me set my timer because I can't have my face falling off. Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Your timer is set for 10 minutes.
Okay, you can go. Siri trying to stick around and listen to the story. Oh, nosy. So I get there, I'm chilling at her house. Now her kitchen, it's like this counter, I guess you would call it like an island. And then there's like chairs on one side. The other side is actually like the inside of her kitchen where she can stand there and be in front of her stove. And then she's chopping up the greens on the counter with a butcher knife. We chatting it up. Literally, I don't know what we're talking about, but I kid you not. Now, it was not a cockroach, but it was on its way to becoming a cockroach. It was like a teenage roach, and it was too big to ignore, okay? Too large for my comfort. I kid you not. This girl takes the butcher knife that she chopping the greens, and she talking like she got the ball is in her court at this point in our conversation, and she is talking and chopping up the greens, chop, and then the roach comes across the counter. I am frozen, like, and she takes the butcher knife. If this was the blade of the knife, chop, she takes it, turns it sideways, smashes the roach.
When is that ever okay? I'll wait.
Murders the roach, okay? Does not stop talking. Goes over to the sink. This girl is still talking and I'm still frozen.
I am disgusted.
She turns on the water, rinses the knife, no soap, no sponge, no disinfectant, no bleach, no nothing. Rinses it. I mean, she didn't even hit the blade with her finger, none of that. She just, meanwhile, she's still talking and proceeds to chop them greens. Now, at this point in my mind, I'm panicking. But see, I got a little piece of a people pleaser in me when it comes to people that I like, right? So I did not want to hurt her feelings and like jump up and be like, I gotta go, I gotta get out of here, or be like, oh my god, what did you do? Like, I just didn't want to give no huge reaction that would embarrass her. A lot of things are going through my mind at this moment. I'm thanking God that I never ate the greens before. I'm just thinking of all the times that I was supposed to have the greens and I didn't get it, and I'm just like, God, I really gotta be taking hints more often, because this could have been bad. Like, I can't imagine what would have happened had I had like a bowl or two already and then this happens. I don't know. At this point in my mind, I'm just like, you know what? I gotta get out of here. I cannot eat this food. I gotta go. I'm texting my other friend and I'm like, girl, call me in 3 minutes with an emergency of some sort. So that's what happened. Homegirl came through, called me up, was like, yo, I need you. I was like, what, girl? Oh my God, I'm on the way. I got up out of there. I wasn't finna eat them. Monday rolls around and she comes with this little Tupperware bowl. And I'm like, thank you, girl. And then I just, politely put them bitches in the trash, in the break room, in private. Moral of the story is, don't trust these, okay? Ever since this happened, I have not participated in a potluck. I haven't eaten food from anyone's house. And the thing is, people say, like, this comes up and people at my new job, and they're like, you don't participate in any of the potlucks. I'm just like, because I ain't eating from nobody's house. And they're like, well, you eat from restaurants. And a lot of people have said that, because I'll tell the story as to why I don't eat from people's houses. And then they'll be like, oh, you eat from a restaurant, you don't know. And that is true. That is true, I don't know. What I do know is I have seen roaches in co-workers' kitchens, and I ain't down with it. I'm just not gonna do it. And then about restaurants and like fast food places, I don't trust them after a certain time. After a certain time, I'm not eating out because I feel like it's like no supervision or like very little supervision. I feel like they don't really care, and I feel like they do stuff to the food. I just do. I feel like after 11 o'clock, people put boogers in the food, all kind of other bodily fluids that I won't name. I feel like they spit in the food. I just feel like that's what goes down after a certain time. So after a certain time, I don't even go to drive-thrus. I ain't doing it. After 11 o'clock, I'm not hitting nobody's drive-thru. Nope. Not to be, y'all ain't finna spit in my food or put some fly wings in my burger. I ain't doing it. Like, am I the only one that feels that way? Like, I can't be. Let me know what you think about that. That's why it's best to just make your own food at home. Now, if I come to your house and it's clean, I check out the scene and it's cute or whatever, okay, yeah, we can eat from your house. But if I ain't been to your house, alright, and for my final step, I'm just gonna moisturize. Then I'll be done. I'm gonna use the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. It is allegedly 24 hours worth of hydration. They only have it online. They need to, Sephora, y'all need to put Kiehl's in the store, okay? At least where I live, they don't have it in the store. The toner is also really good. Yeah, so that is it for this video. That's the whole story. Your girl is fresh faced, all products removed. I will put the details of the products that I use in this video in the description box. I just started using these ordinary products, so I don't want to technically really recommend it right now. I want to wait a little bit. I'm gonna put it there just in case you saw something you just want to check out and try, you know, if you want to research it yourself. I can't vouch for any of the ordinary products that I use in this video because I just started using their line. But once I've given her a good little trial run, I will do a skincare routine video because I don't know if I want to include them or not, you know. I just started using them. I want to be for real. As always, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe if you have not, if you enjoyed this video. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.